Withdrawing funds held by Gmail can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate through the withdrawal process effectively. Step 1. Access your Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Ensure you are using the correct account that holds the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Google Pay. Once logged in, locate and click on the Google Apps icon, the grid icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Google Pay to access your payment information. Step 3. Check your balance. In Google Pay, look for the section that displays your balance of funds. Confirm that the amount you wish to withdraw is available and ready for transfer. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Find the option to withdraw or transfer funds. This may be labeled as withdraw or transfer to bank. Click on this option and follow the prompts to select your bank account or payment method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should successfully withdraw your funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google Pay support for assistance.